Hey guys, Mike Versys here, and now that I have a whole new format for my show, I want to try something different. I want to try a new opening sequence, a new intro, new credits, all that good stuff. Enough of that just title card Versland tales. I want something that explains a little bit more about what my show exactly is. So here is the premiere of my new opening sequence.
Just a guy, just a regular guy, trying to make it from day to day. Drinking beers and doing regular guy stuff, trying to see if my life is okay. Yeah!
Wait, is anybody else in this show? Because I feel like it's just me.